Good afternoon students and welcome back to English class of class 6. Today we will continue with chapter 5. Topic is tense in grammar section. Open up page number 48 for the same. So let me introduce what is tense. Tense represents time of an action. So student, tense represent the time of an action when it took place. Tense are divided in three types: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense represent now. That means action is taking place now. Action is going on. Past tense represent the action that happened before. That means something has already happened. And future tense represent that some action will take place later on. Clear? Now let's come upon type of present tense, that is simple present. Okay? Simple present tense represent when some action actually take place at that moment. Simple present tense says that some action is going on just right now. I write an essay. That means I have written an essay just now. Like boy jumps. So boy jumps. Note down here that with third person we add s or es with first form of verb. Now come to past tense. Past tense may, in simple past, when an action happened in a time before now. The action has already taken place in the past. For example, I drove a car. Clear? Drove is past form of drive. So here it is representing that I was driving a car before now. Future tense may, in simple future tense, it expresses facts or certainty in a time later than now. So simple future tense says that some action will take place later on. Clear? For example, she will cook food. In simple future tense we use will or shall. Like I shall call you tomorrow. Clear? The action will take place later, tomorrow. Clear? Hope simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future is clear to all of you. Now we will continue continuous form of verb. So first is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense represents that some action is continuously going on. Present continuous tense says that something is going on. Like the boy is running. So the boy is running now and he is continuing the action. So the action is continuously moving on. So here we use ing form of verb. Clear? Now come to past continuous tense. Again student, that continuous word is clear that something is moving on, but in past something was moving on. An action was continuously moving on. Like the hunter was killing animals. So the hunter was. This was represent that action was going on. And what he was doing? He was killing animals. Clear? And in future continuous tense, in future continuous, again some action will be happening. We think that something will be going on. Like we will be fighting for fruits. That means we will be fighting. It is not happening, it will happen. We will be fighting for fruits. Clear? So students, it was continuous form of present, past and future tense. Now refer to your book, page number 49. Look here. Here you can read about simple present, simple past and simple future tense. And when you are going to turn the page, so here on page number 50 you can read about continuous form of tenses and here example also. Clear? Your homework is on page number 51, exercise I and exercise J. Thank you.